Lights, camera, action, you're getting ready to do a video, but before you do, you need to ask yourself these questions. Is that video searchable or sociable? And are you using it on Facebook or on YouTube? How you answer those questions will determine the success of that video, how many people actually see it, and how many clients you actually get from it. Hey there, it's Michael Creasy here, the Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com, and welcome to this week's episode. And it's going to be about Facebook versus YouTube and the strategy you need in place when you're doing videos for either platform, because they are distinctly different platforms. But before we go there, please give us a like and share on this video, and in the comments section below, let us know how you're using videos on Facebook or YouTube. Now, keep this in mind. Google is the largest search engine on the planet, and Google also owns YouTube. So when it comes to search, when you're doing your videos, keep that in mind, that your videos need to be searchable. They need to be SEO friendly, and use keywords in the title, in the description, and in your actual video, because YouTube videos are more about the educational experience. So the types of videos that you'll do on Facebook are more about the engagement. They're more about the feeling, if you will. So your personal opinions for your vlog, restaurant reviews, virtual tours, that's the kind of stuff that will engage people. Versus YouTube is about education, how to stage a home, how to change your carburetor, whatever that is. Now, here are some tips that you can use in YouTube to get higher rankings for your videos. And remember that YouTube ranks your videos based on the amount of time people watch the video and the aggregate total of all your videos. So it's important that people watch them. So number one, when you're producing your video, keep in mind whatever your keywords are, that you're using them in the title and in the description on YouTube, and also use the keywords in your actual video, because YouTube extracts the audio, transcribes it, and is able to use that transcript to pull out the keywords, and that's how it's going to rank your video. So always make sure that your keywords and phrases are in the video. Another thing to consider too is customized thumbnails. You want your videos to stand out from all the others, and thumbnails are attractive, they catch our eye, and there's a higher likelihood that people will click on the one that stands out. Also, in your video, right at the very beginning, you want to make sure you tell people what the title is, what the video is actually about, because remember, YouTube is searching through that, Google is searching through the video as well, and that title at the very beginning will help set the tone of how that video is going to be ranked. So I hope you found this information helpful. Once again, it's Michael Creasy here, the Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com. Looking forward to seeing your videos and welcoming your comments and feedback.